Okay, so today I'm gonna be going over my trades again for today, just to journal my trades again. So pre-market here, going into going into today. I mean, it was kind of bearish. It kind of just consolidated an Asia session, I'd say. I mean, it was like just like chopping around. I mean, it dipped a little bit and then it came up, but like it wasn't really anything crazy. Um, so coming into today. Um, I usually what I look for pre-market sometimes is I look for pre-market equal highs or lows. And right here I marked out I saw this and this those are two equal highs. And so when market opened, we were just chopping around a lot. But then we had this big strong movement up and I just entered on momentum on this cuz you can see like once this candle was being formed, you just I don't know, I just entered with momentum. I feel like that's kind of like a not the most precise thing to say or the way to enter, but like I feel like you just kind of feel it out and then you know like what momentum is. But that was my first trade, and then here I just caught 10 points. Um, that was the first trade right here, and then second trade of the day was these equal highs. Waited for us to retrace down. We respected this gap. There was news as well. These were like news candles. I think the news was at it was this candle. This was the news candle. Just came straight down, filled this 5 minute gap right here. This was a gap on the 5 minute. So I was I was looking to see this gap filled. However, I was just waiting for news because we had the jobs openings at 7 a.m. But well, I guess 10 for this. So this candle just shot straight down, which was good because as long as it didn't come up and take out the equal highs, I could still have an entry. So and it also tapped into the 5 minute gap. If we see here, what is this? Right here. This was a 5 minute gap that got tapped into. So that was I really like that. And then once again here, just entry off of momentum as we were coming up 10 points away. 19, not 10 points away, sorry. This is like 20-point move that I caught here. And yeah, entered at 74. So wherever that is on this candle, somewhere there. And that was my second trade of the day. And then third trade of the day was these equal lows right here. We got a beautiful, you can see here, this was in a downtrend. This is a very obvious downtrend. You can see higher, lower highs, lower lows. Everything is being respected. We're retracing, respecting gaps right here. We're respecting gaps. Everything is looking nice for trend following stuff. So, saw that we made these equal lows. We also came into a fair value gap, filling this gap and respecting it, getting this CC right here. And then my entry was just after this candle at I think 1308. And then that was my second trade of the day. Oops. But that was my second trade of the day, or third trade, sorry. And then that was the last trade for today. And my total P&L was 931. I'm just gonna say 1K for the clickbait. But yeah, that was it for today. Definitely want to be risking more, I'd say. I think I could be going 2 contracts. It's just when price is so volatile and there's so much volume, I kind of get scared. Like at least for the first trade of the day, I definitely think 1 contract for this was just I haven't tested this as much and it doesn't always work out for me. So I usually go 1 con, but for these equal highs there and the lows, definitely something that I'm probably going to start trading more contracts. But yeah, pretty solid day again. We're up on the week. So yeah, that's about it. We'll check in tomorrow and see how it is. But once trying to just get to a 5K payout in a bit. So thank you.